Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of TestRail training. In this tutorial, I'll give you a brief introduction to the overview tab of any project in TestRail. So before we get started, you need to create a project in TestRail. I have already created some of the projects, so I'll select one and it will redirect you to the project overview page. So for example, I'll select this multiple test suite, and once I select that, you will see the project dashboard. You have multiple tabs available here. You have the overview tab, you have to do, you have milestones, you have test runs and results, test suites and cases, and the reports tab. At the top you have the um, working on link. Okay, then you have the profile where you can change your settings and log out, and then you have help and feedback, and then there's some social icons, email, Twitter, and your feed. So the other tab available is the administration tab. If you want to administer the project or change any details of the project, you can go to the administration tab to change that if you have administrative privileges. And then under overview tab, you will see the project overview overall, how the project is progressing. So since at the moment the project is completely blank, you don't see any of the graphs listed here. Otherwise, if you have the test suites and test cases and test runs already happening within your project, you will see the overall statistics of the particular test cycle and what is the overall progress of test cases within that particular test cycle or test run. You will see the pass percentage, blocked, retest, and failed percentage as well. Since I haven't defined any milestone yet, so I see the add milestone and add test suite button here. So that's another part of the overview tab. At the right hand column, you'll see the actions, when you can see you can add milestone, or you can view all the milestones that are available in the project, and you can add test suites, or you can view all the test suites. Below that you have the to-dos, which is basically the to-do section for the user who is logged in, or basically what is the work allocated to the particular user who is logged in. So for example, I'm the tester in a project and I've been assigned 200 test cases to execute in that particular project. Then those 200 cases will be listed under the to-do column whenever I log in into my TestRail account. So that's where you see the actual work allocation, whichever has been done for you in that particular project. So that is pretty much all about the overview of any of the TestRail project. If you like this video and want to get more details or more information and more helpful tutorials like this, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.